Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be making very simple tuba cap. This is the material I'm going to be using for the tuba cap. The measurement I have here is 16.5 inches by 24.5 inches. I fold like this and I will sew with 1.5 inch. I'll sew from here. I'm done sewing. I will fold into two. I will be needing 22 inches or 22.5 inches, which is enough. I will mark. I will cut here. I will go and sew here first now. I will add pleat here and here. I'm done with the sewing. This point here, I will measure 10.5 inches. This is where I'm going to add pleats or gather on this part here. I will mark here with thread and needle. I will start from here. After where I sew, I will go up. Like this. So I will draw the thread. I will tie this place now and I will sew back again many times before I finally tie on the last part. After tying this place, I will sew back. I have the thread I started with here. I will use this thread to tie. I will do the same here. This is the back and the front. You can use it like this, just like this. If you want to make design on top, 4.5 inches by 62 inches, 2 pieces. I will join this place together here. This place, the 2 pieces. After doing that, I will sew here. I will sew this place all through. I'm done with the sewing. I will bring out the right side. I'm done bringing the right side out. This center here. Then I will start to twist. I'm going to continue like this. See the way I'm twisting it down before I roll. I twist. See how beautiful it looks, how beautiful it turns out. I'm going to continue like this until I finish up to here. I'm done up to here. What I will do now is to sew here. I'm done sewing here. I'm going to use hot glue. like this. You can use thread and needle to sew gently on the back. I'm going to do that. See the front, very neat. There is no thread showing on the front. I'm going to sew on top. This is the front by the side here, like this. I will sew gently inside so that the thread will not show on top. It can show behind, that is under. It doesn't really matter because nobody will see. But on top here, you have to be careful when you are sewing on top the cap. So you can hold with pin before you start. I will gently sew under like this from here up to here. Then don't worry about here, it won't fall off. I will tack inside. This is the back. This is how it looks like, guys. It's very beautiful and very simple to make. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Please like this video, comment, and please help me share this video. Thank you.